Hmm. But why we cannot see whether it is recording or not? Oh, oh, वो छुपा छुपा के छुपम छुपाई कैसे
अरे
होता
वो
है
हैकिंग,
इतना?
सर वो हैकिंग कर रहा है अभी।
Which one? This meeting? Okay, okay. So you are a gamer. Okay, okay. Let's start. Okay, so I think Deepa is able to hear me, but Somali is not.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
But
I
not
can hear
Somali.
you.
Somali. Okay, very nice. Then no, but she replied. I think now. Hello, Somali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he sees there. Okay, then everyone, whoever is here, they are attentive. So we will start. How to write? Okay. Okay, before that, I think we were actually somewhere stuck. We stopped abruptly. What was that? Can anybody remember? Oh, this is the one.
सर जो
Huh?
IC50 and log browser कर रहे हैं।
Right, right. You know, how you create graphs, and if you'll see one, then you can just apply it to everywhere. Okay, let me finish that within few minutes. You know? So if you will open Graph Prism and you whatever I told you, you choose X, Y, and then you choose the X axis. See what this Graph Prism is asking. File origin hard drive on this computer. Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Always say no. Okay, guys? Hello.
Yes sir।
Okay, sir.
Don't say yes. It will actually then connect it to internet, and then probably there will be loss of some features because this is pirated one. Okay. See, what I wanted to give you that impression that if you are collecting data, then you supposed to collect it on an Excel sheet. Okay, I'll just open one Excel sheet now to show you. Hannah, where are you going to keep your data? Whenever you will do any experiment, you will keep your data first on. Hello.
सर ऑन एक्सेल।
हाँ. So Excel में देखो मैंने कॉपी कर लिया, इधर पेस्ट कर लिया. I'll just do one thing here. I'll insert. Okay, insert. इंसर्ट का ऑप्शन इधर आएगा. अरे इंसर्ट का ऑप्शन आ ही नहीं रहा है. Why it is not providing? बड़ा ले जाओ ना, है ना प्रॉब्लम. कार में ही रहेगा. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this? This is the concentration. है ना? You will keep all this data like this. Micromolar. You keep data like this. This is cell death. Okay. If I consider this particular thing as 100, है ना? See this, with this I cannot use with this data I cannot use this Graphite Prism to quantify or estimate IC50, because it is not actually showing 100% response here, because by default computer understands that this is the maximum response, that is 100%. But in this particular case it is not 100, because we could not achieve, है ना? So this drug is not actually killing all the cells. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to modify your data. We can create one average here equal to, okay, fx average. Let's make an average quickly to show you. Actually, there are so many ways you can do, but I'll show you few things. See, this is the average one. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is the average percentage death, cell death, है ना? Now what I will do is I will consider this one as 100. So what I'll make, this is 100. So how much will be this one? Can anybody tell? Equal to this divided by this into
100.
ना, नहीं समझ में देख पाया क्या मैं क्या किया? See, first I will consider that this is 100. ठीक है? The maximal response, that is 82%, that is 100%, है ना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I will quantify with respect to this. I will normalize everything, every data. So this is 92%, 90, in fact 93. Okay, we will just make it no decimal point. So then what will be the next one? What I will do is I will fix E9. E9 को फिक्स करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? What I will do is I will make a dollar sign here, and also E8. Oh, this is F8, F9 by E9 into E8. Okay, I supposed to change this one, sorry. Hello guys, I don't know whether you are following me or not. See, this is 100%. I'm using a formula here. This is what? The number that I want to normalize with 82.3. So if 82.3 is 100, then what will be 76.3? So basically that is 100, that is F9. I will make it constant, that is I will put a dollar sign here. Then E9 equal, that I will want, I will E9 is also fixed. Okay, sorry. So E9 I will also put a dollar sign here, and for E8 I want to see this changing. See here, if I'll just pull this now, this formula will be copied for all. देख पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
If I put a dollar sign, see here, if I put a dollar sign here, those cells I don't want to see changing, है ना? But I want to see this E8 change, because the E8 is getting converted to or normalized to 82.3. So I am actually keeping that normal. So what happens if I pull that formula? So normally what happens that I did not actually block that cell, went on changing, and I got all the numbers. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do is now I can get an IC50 very easily without doing all this what do you call what I will do is I will not actually keep y many. I will do only y because I have already averaged it. Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
What I will do is I will go and change what? Change format data table. क्या करूंगा? Format data table, enter and plot a single y value for each point. I say okay. ठीक है? And now I will paste the data that I have copied. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys following what I am doing? On Excel sheet, whatever I got here, I got from different different wells. I got this data. Okay. And now when I see this data, it looks like it is getting plateaued at 100 degree, 100 concentration, 100 micromolar. This is getting plateaued. There is no more increase, and it is not achieving 100% cell death. So it looks like if I will go on adding also more and more, it is not going to kill 100%. Are you guys getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this particular case, you either you do this or you go for survival fraction. What you do? You see how much survive. If it is 100% here survived, then how much surviving here? It is around 15%, है ना? देखो दो मेथड से कर सकते हो, लेकिन what you can use two methods. One is survival fraction and another one is IC50. So here we are trying to do IC50. So I copied this value, I put it here. Now I will go and analyze. I will do some this is called non-linear regression. Because why we need to do non-linear regression? Can anybody tell? What do what do
sigma sir.
huh?
Because the curve is sigma, so we are going to do nonlinear regression.
No, but why non-linear is the relationship. When you study dose response relationship, either the relationship may be linear or maybe non-linear. It does not matter. Actually, you are right in one sense that actually if it is sigmoid, then definitely it is a non-linear one. And that's for sure. But it is you need to understand the root thing, that is if the relationship is linear, then the dependent variable would change according to independent variable continuously without any failure. Always if you go on increasing the concentration, there will be increase in cell death. But in this particular case, if you imagine, cell death can be only up to 100%. It cannot go on just increasing infinity. सुन पा रहे हो? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in non-linear means there is at certain concentration there are no much target, that drug target available for the drug to produce any effect. So in this particular case, you can see that is happening. So non-linear regression would be followed, and if I'll select that and go for the regression, non-linear regression analysis, one thing will be a problematic thing. Can you see the concentration here is in log or it is not logged yet? Hello?
No, sir, it is not logged, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before we do that, go to non-linear regression, because regression requires one of the axis need to be logarithmic. That means semi-logarithmic paper need to be created. So to do so, what I will do is first I will do transform. What I will do? Hello?
You have to transfer into logarithm.
Transform it to log.
Transformation means actually you just convert that same the quantity remains the same, but you can transform into different appearance. It will look like a different number, but it would be the same. Value remains the same. Okay? How it looks like you can see here now. what I'll do, transform. Okay, see here, transform x value using log x. Can you see? You can drop down many, you can choose many. I'll do what? Transform x values using x equal to log x. Then say okay. Can you see now that there is one other results? In the results on the left, can you see on the results tab, we have got another file open that is called transform of experiment 1. So in concentration, can you see it is already logged? देख सकते हो? ठीक है? Now we will go for analysis. Analyze nonlinear regression. Okay. So can you tell what we have to choose here? Basically you choose inhibition, isn't it? There is a dose response which is inhibitory in nature. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because cells are dying. Abhipsit?
Yes, sir.
पकड़ में आ रहा है?
Anderson, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Somali, are you there? Following?
Yes, sir.
Amrita?
Yes, sir.
Following?
Yes, sir.
Ankit? Ankush? संगम? हेलो, ये सब भाग गए क्या? अंकुश संगम नहीं है क्या इधर आज? हाँ, सौविक, आर यू देयर?
Yes.
शौर्य?
Yes, sir.
आर यू फॉलोइंग मी?
Yes, sir.
See, there are 4 options: log inhibitor versus response, log inhibitor versus response, and variable slope. ठीक है? But we have already normalized our response, so we will choose the normalized response one. So out of again, then if you see log in, we have got log inhibitor. Definitely our log x-axis has been logged, so we have got log inhibitor versus normalized slope, because sorry, response. The response that we got initially, that has been normalized to 100%. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you may now ask me, sir, why not log inhibitor versus response, and then later on we normalize it, then we do calculation? That is possible, but if you do this way, it is faster. So you have already, in this particular case, you have to normalize first, है ना? So if x is not already the log dose, then go back and transform your data. If you have subtracted of any Bessel response, consider constraining bottom to a constant value of 0. So if you have to do this one. But here y values of the curve will go from 100 to 0. We have done already, because we have already transformed, है ना? Sorry, we have normalized it, and we have already transformed. x-axis is already transformed and it is log dose, so we are good to go, है ना? And what do we mean by variable slope, and what is normal without slope consideration? The reason here we are considering variable slope, because that a sigmoid curve has got variable slope at every point. It is not a straight line, it is a non-linear regression. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
It depends on how your curve is. If it is still straight, if it is non-linear but it is still kind of straight, then you can follow probably any of this without variable slope. But in this case, we have a variable slope, because the curve is a kind of sigmoid, because it is changing slowly and then at a steep rate, and then it is stopping. So we choose this one and say okay. Don't change any other things, say okay. You will get here your IC50 value. Can you see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
What is that? What is the number?
That is 0.886.
0.8336. 0.8386.
हाँ, अब देखो इसमें देखो, अभी रिजल्ट में जाके देखो, है ना, इट इज अराउंड 1 के करीब एक्चुअली उसका 40% आएगा, पता है आपको, बिकॉज द हाईएस्ट वाज हाउ मच, हेलो, आप देखो इसमें 40% कहाँ आ रहा है, 1 के आसपास ना,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
so 50% of maximal response is around 40%, है ना, so it is around 1. So your value that 90, if you want to tell the 90, 98, 95% confidence, what would be the, if your IC50, sorry, this IC50 value would vary from 0.42 to 1.64, and within this there will be, it is 95% confidence that with this kind of experiment you will achieve IC50 value between 0.42 or 0.43 to 1.6, है ना, ये डाटा भी हम रखते हैं नॉर्मली. If you will see goodness of fit, R square is around 98%, which is quite good. These 3 information you normally require to present somewhere if you are doing any dose response relationship study, then you have to present IC50, then what is the confidence interval, at 95% what is the interval, and also the goodness of fit. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे फिर ग्राफ तो सर दिखाया नहीं कैसे सिग्मॉइड, अभी देखो इधर पहला ग्राफ जो है, देखो इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ ड्रॉप, क्या व्हाट यू कॉल इट, what do you call this, at the beginning we selected that dot plot, what do you call this, yeah, but this is not in our interest. See this one, what is this, cell bracket percentage. I put unnecessary one. हाँ, कैसा लग रहा है ये ग्राफ,
It's a sigmoid.
Sigmoid, sir.
this is not really concentration, this is log concentration in micromolar, है ना,
Yes, sir.
hello, are you guys following me,
Yes, sir.
hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, now if I want to copy this graph onto a computer, what I will do is I'll copy this straight away and paste it on Word. देख पा रहे हो, हेलो,
Yes,
Yes,
can you
sir.
see,
Yes, sir.
Deepa,
Yes, sir, I can see.
सर वार्ड में तो पेस्ट नहीं किए.
huh?
Sir, you have not paste in the word.
I'm not audible,
Adil sir.
okay, sorry, hello,
And now you can see it, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are able to hear me, please say yes.
Yes, sir. You're
Hello.
audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then, can you see the screen now? What I did, I'll just undo it. What I did, I copied, right click here on this graph itself and copy graph. Okay. You can paste anywhere on your document.
Yes, sir.
Following, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, following.
This is one way you can copy and paste, but if you do this, then it is a Prism file only. It is saved here. But I don't prefer this. What I do is I go here to the Prism. That is one way. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now I want to reopen that. I think this, yeah. See, this graph is already there. Okay. What I will do, I will export this one. I will go to File, Export. I will print it as a JPEG file.
कुछ काटते रहे
क्या? हेलो, आप सुन पा रहे हो क्या एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ध्यान से देखना, चलो सुनो गाइस. हेलो
Hello, sir.
हेलो. यस सर.
Yes, sir.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Deepak. So what I do is I go to File. If I want to export this into a image file, then what I'll do, I'll go to File, Export, choose any of the image format, but basically the JPEG file format takes less space on our drive.
Sir, screen is
So
stable,
I will select JPEG. Huh?
the screen is not moving. It is stable.
Sorry? हाँ बोलिए.
The screen is
So
stable.
the screen is having glitch. It's not moving forward.
Oh, there is a lag. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it is very slow. It is still stuck with the Microsoft Office. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Which actually, what is the screen now you can see?
So it's the Microsoft Word page with a blank page.
Uh, no, I am actually working on the Prism itself. Let me
It is stuck there since
share it again.
5 minutes.
Can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
Presume?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, one way is I can just copy this graph by right clicking on the graph, copy graph and paste on my Word file. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That is one way. The other way is you make you keep you keep this image as an image file for future use. And I would suggest that is the best method. What you do, you go to file. There is lag, lot of lag. Go to file. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is not really visible. I'm going to file, then export, choose JPEG format, JPG, resolution minimum 600 dpi. Resolution how much? See, the page is now set. Minimum is 600 dpi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then from folder, where to I will save it on the desktop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll save on desktop. Say okay. And what will be the file name? I will say that this is fig 1 experiment 1. ठीक है? After choosing desktop, I change the file name as well to fig 1 experiment 1. Oh, there is a lag. Are you all experiencing the same? There is a lag.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I moved. Actually, I switched into Airtel, but that is also the same. It is also very slow. Can you see what I changed here?
The screen is stuck, sir.
Huh?
Screen is stuck there.
Okay, which page can you see now?
Sir, export.
Yeah, I am still there. I'm actually export graph, and then I have changed the folder location and also the file name, and then I say okay. It will start exporting.
Yes, sir.
It will start exporting. Export. See, now it is starting. You know, it is. I'm on my computer. It is done, but you guys are seeing it delay. Then I will say okay. Okay, let's. So this is all done. So we will create graphs in this way, and when you go through the file that I told you, it is reference materials section. If you go to GraphPad Prism, you'll find what are the steps you have to follow to create graphs. Okay, guys. Now I will take you to the Word document, how to write and how to format it in such a way that it will look like a research paper. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. To do that, I'll show you some of the documents that I have. I'll share with you also so that you can practice at your home. See, I have got a chapter already done for me. Can you see this folder? Scientific Writing 2019 folder, demo.
Yes, sir.
I have got one figure that is called 1.2 JPEG. Another figure I have got 1.1. It is in PPT. Can you see? Two figures I have. They are two different formats. One is PPT,
Sir.
that is PowerPoint, and the other one is
JPEG.
JPEG. And this is basically required for us in our writing, scientific writing. And I have got a chapter already ready for me to show you how to write. So I'll just take you there, okay, quickly. See, when you start your term paper, the first thing you have to think about is title page. What is that page?
Title page.
Yeah, so you write the title and finally at the end of keep this actually hidden formatting option on so that you can see where is the paragraph ends. Then at the end of the paragraph, what you do, you go for one section break. What you do? Go to page layout. Is it still slow? Go to page layout and then go to breaks and then go to section breaks, next page. So what it does basically is it actually puts one section break here. If you are writing the title here, you write whatever information, you put your logo, and then at the end this section break, what it will create is this, it will allow you to keep the title page very different from the other pages. And in title page normally we don't put page number. What we don't put?
Page number.
I'll write here estimation of C first expression using ImageJ software. I'll put institute logo and my roll number, name, whatever I put, I'll put. You can. There is no limit how you want to arrange and what kind of actually ornamentation you do, what color you use. There is no problem. The only thing is the content need to be there and it should be organized. All right, guys. Title
Yes,
page. And as I said earlier, this the font size minimum requirement is 12 and font is Times New Roman. What is that?
Times New Roman.
Times New Roman and font size क्या है?
12.
12. तो इतना तो minimum रखना है. And when this is minimum, then one may ask me, sir, if I want to make it 14, is there any restriction? No, there is no restriction. You can make whatever ornamentation to make it clear, make it visible. It is different because this is a title page, so title need to be little bit bigger. If you want to do any changes, minimum you have to follow 12 font and Times New Roman. But next thing, whatever you know, if you want to increase it, that is up to you. Okay? I'll tell you few things that you may have done earlier anytime. Okay, so the next page you see here, it starts with table of contents. क्या है?
Table of contents.
Even that also will create automatically, so that's why I will just hit enter key and another enter. I'll keep one space here so that we can insert our table of contents automatically using computer fundamentals. That means computer has got, if you will use Microsoft Office carefully, you can create the table of content automatically. So we'll keep one enter, two enters, then I'll again put one page break. What I'll do, I will put insert page break. Actually, when you put section break, you have to go to page layout. in case of section break, where you have to go?
Page layouts.
Layout.
But if you want to just make a break between two pages, that means you are not changing the whole look of the page, because section means the first section you can change whatever look you want, you can make it. As compared to the second section. But when we make breaks, it only puts the content to the next page without any formatting independency. समझ रहे हैं मेरा बात? अभी करके बताता हूँ देखो. We'll do that within a few minutes. I'll tell you. I'll just keep in mind that we'll put here a section break. Instead of section break, we'll put a page break here. Go to insert, page break. So the introduction will start from the next page. Okay? Okay, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So,
Okay, now I have got some writing already here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you how to insert figures, how to format the headings in such a way that you can use this whole set in another assignment if you get in the future. You need not to work for much, actually you have to just, with few clicks, you will be able to see your document looking exactly what you wanted. So you have to create the first document very carefully with all understanding. See, the first page, it starts with introduction, okay? And you want to see introduction appear on the table of content, am I right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Table of contents basically works with that fundamental, so it shows the major tabs. What are the contents in this particular document? Na?
Yes, sir.
So with that in mind, what we will think about is we will make styles in such a way that styles, as I have showed you earlier, there are several styles here. Can you see? I am hovering my mouse here. This is called style section. If you go to home and on the ribbon on the right, you will see this is called style section. You can create your own style, or you can you can use inbuilt styles as well. Okay. Can anybody tell in a document you will find more headings than text, or the other way around?
More text, sir.
So headings are less than text.
Right. So then what I will do is I will first show you how to. Can you see? Actually, there are a lot of text here. Can you see? Several paragraphs. Huh?
So
Yes, sir.
And according to you, what do you think? They should look alike, or the formatting should be done in such a way that the look of every paragraph should be same, or it should be different?
same.
But when up to now, the way you use Microsoft Office, do you think you are able to manage all these paragraphs properly, or actually sometimes you leave some paragraphs without any modification and it looks different?
It looks different.
हाँ दीपक, थोड़ा बताइए, अच्छे से बताइए थोड़ा.
Some paragraphs are left when we do.
So how you do? You select them and individually you apply some of the styles, is not it?
Yes.
है ना?
Majorly we do this.
Okay. So what we'll do now, I will show you how to create a style for your paragraphs, so that within few clicks you will be able to introduce all the paragraphs will take the same style. Irrespective of your presence there or absence. If somebody selects that particular style, automatically you will get that particular style. है ना? सुन रहे हो बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So how to do that? What you do is you click on one of the paragraph. Can you just copy paste something, and you also try at you on your computer itself? Hello.
Yes, sir.
See how you keep your cursor on that paragraph. You will see. By default, anything you type that takes normal style. कौन सा style?
Normal.
ठीक है? You will, in fact, everything you type that takes normal style, except whatever I have changed. You will see here introduction. It is taking heading 1. Can you see? It is taking heading 1 because I have allowed this. I have already modified it. But if you type it, then you will get it in normal style. Normal style is the mother of every style. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Normal style is the
Mother of all styles.
Mother of
Mother.
all the styles.
Right. So we can create style based on normal. Okay. So what we'll do, I'll keep my cursor on one of the first paragraph, and I'll go to this. Can you see this small window, styles window? Here
Yes, sir.
at the corner of the styles menu, है ना? Lower right corner of the styles menu, you will find styles window. So the styles window, you click that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what you do, you from here at the bottom, can you see there are A, and if you will see, you hover your mouse, you will find it saying new style. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
see.
sir.
Okay. This new style, I'll create a new style for it. Okay. For term paper, I'll create a new style. As soon as you hit new style, you will get this window, create new style from formatting. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
You name it as term paper text. क्या करो? Term paper
Text.
text. And style type, it is a paragraph style. And then style based on normal. And style for following paragraph क्या होगा? Hello.
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई बताओ ना क्या होगा? Term paper text. Okay. So if I have a paragraph, then how many? Like, there will be more paragraphs or less? Sorry, more headings. As you said just recently, you will be having more paragraphs, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
as soon as the next style for following paragraph, as soon as you hit enter key after any paragraph, so automatically it will take term paper text. I am selecting that. ठीक है? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what kind of formatting I need now? Can you see here? It is asking me to choose for a font. Font is Times New Roman. What is the text size? Font size?
12.
12.
More
12.
than 12.
I will keep here 12. Okay. Then what else I need? I want an automatic, that is black color. And I need justified. That means all the, it's in a rectangle. है ना? Justified देख पा रहे हो? ये वाला justified है. left alignment is alignment centered right or justified?
Yes,
Hello,
sir. Yes, sir.
I'll choose justified. Can you see here? On the left formatting, it's how it looks after health and include. They're not actually arranged in a rectangle, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You'll choose. If you'll choose justified, it looks like a rectangle, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
है ना? So justified, and then between lines, how much gap you need?
1.5.
देखो मैंने ये बीच वाला सिलेक्ट किया. The first one is 1, that next is 2, I said 1.5, and the third one is 2. So you can see the whatever font you select is showing here. Times number 1 12 point, justified line spacing 1.5 lines, and its style is quick style based on normal. It is a quick style, है ना? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
After doing this, you go to format. At the bottom, can you see there is written format? Just beside that, there is a drop down menu. You just click that. You will see paragraph, font, paragraph tabs. So we are interested in formatting the paragraph. What we want there is, we don't want any space before the paragraph. We don't want. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Any
We don't want any paragraph before.
Any space before the paragraph.
So that means after the heading introduction, I want that specific the paragraph should start immediately, है ना? Without any delay. And after every paragraph, I want at least one line gap. In between two paragraphs, how much I want?
1 line gap.
And what is one line gap here is 12 point. 12 point is nothing but one line. सुन पा रहे हो क्या?
Yes, sir.
So I'll put 12 point after in the spacing section in paragraph. What I'm doing is paragraph formatting, where my paragraph will start immediately after the heading. There is no gap, and after the heading that particular statement that we want.
Between the paragraph.
Huh? Hello. हाँ बोलिए.
So after it means between the lines or between the paragraphs.
Between the paragraphs. This spacing before paragraph. This is we are talking about paragraph here. See. ठीक है. This 12 point one line gap is between the paragraphs. When you hit enter key after you complete the paragraph, then it will make a single space between them. Okay. And
Okay.
as I said, that 1.5 line gapping we have already selected, so it is there. The line spacing in the paragraph, line spacing. This is paragraph spacing and this is line spacing. Can you see? This is only spacing that is related to paragraph, and this one is line spacing in the paragraph. That is 1.5 lines that we have already. That means how much point? 1.5 lines gap means. Hello.
So 18 points.
18 point, है ना? So after doing this, I will just say okay, and also say okay again. Can you see the font how they are looking this paragraph as compared to the other paragraph here? Or there is a lag. Can you see how the first paragraph is looking like?
It is different from the second.
So this is what you wanted in the first paragraph. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Spacing, if you want to see, you just select it here and go to space. You will see 1.5 written there. Now we will not go to change all the paragraphs now. We will do some activities, then we will go to change all those paragraphs into this format. This is the format we want for every paragraph. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How to do that? We'll go at the end. Okay. So this is one of the style that we created for the text. Okay. Here you can see on the right. This is the styles menu. Under that you have got term paper text. All right, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's now do another one, that is heading 1. That is introduction is the heading 1 or heading 2?
Heading 1, sir.
Heading means what? See, 1 means here, this is the higher level, that is the major headings, and under that you will have subheadings. For example, heading 2 means this will be 1.2, 1.1, 1.2, that will be heading 2. And when we talk about heading 3, you have got 3 numbers, 1.1.1. Following, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'll keep my cursor on this introduction, and then I'll go to select this heading 1. And heading 1 here also you can see, or in the menu here, drop down menu here also you can see. You can right click here and say modify. Okay? But never change normal style. If you will click on normal style and right click modify, then it will corrupt the whole word software will be corrupted. Don't change the normal style, but you can change any other style except normal style. Okay? Because if you will change the mother, then the babies will be changed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now I will show you how to create another style according to your requirement. See, in general, if I am working on a thesis or a scientific report, there may be up to 4 headings. Heading level 4. That means under 1 there will be 1.1. Under 1.1 you will have 1.1.1. Again, under 1.1.1 you may have 1.1.1. ठीक है ना? सुन पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
अभी मैं दिखाता हूं आपको. हेडिंग 1 में क्या होता है, देखो हेडिंग 1 हियर है ना. So I will modify it according to me. Heading 1, I will name, I won't change because this is heading 1 only. I will see it is based on normal. And style for further following paragraph, it's not normal. I will choose term paper text. ठीक है? Because after the heading I want to see the text to start. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now formatting, I will choose Times New Roman, and I will choose 14 font, because if I can tell you, I want to see the headings to be different. I want the headings to be different. That means the look, so the reader should not get confused by looking at the heading that they're the same. They look like the same, then there will be a little bit of difficulty for the readers to follow. So I'll keep it 14 and I'll keep it bold, and I'll keep it always left aligned, because the headings are always on the left. Okay? I'll keep single line gap between. If there are 2 lines for the heading, then there won't be any more gap. It will be just it will start, the next line will start immediately. So this is the first, this is line gap, that is the first one only. Okay? line spacing. For the heading I am talking about here. Line spacing for
Heading.
So now what I will do is I will go to format, similar way paragraph, and I'll ask this computer now to space before the heading. I don't want any space, 0 point. Before, because that heading should start at the start of the page. Always your heading should start. If you are starting a page, then either you start the heading with the heading, है ना? It is always better. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After the heading, I want 12 points gap so that there will be at least one line gap between my heading and the
Text. Text.
text. So then that is done. Then as I said, line spacing for heading is 1 single. Then I will say okay. Okay. Don't change anything. Don't change any other thing. Only except spacing. You should not change anything in the style. Say okay 2 times. Can you see this introduction is looking like bold and whatever it is 14 size, and you need not to click everything there itself. Now you can see here, and
Yes,
heading
sir.
1 is done. So now I will go down. Under this one I want heading 2. This incidence of brain injury following cardiac and brain surgery, I want it as heading 2. So I will click on heading 2. I have created this. I'll modify it. I'll show you types, style for following paragraph. I will just change it to term paper text, and style based on normal. And I will keep here heading 2 as 12 and but bold. I'll keep 12 and bold. Left align Times New Roman, 1 line gap, automatic, black, that means. And I'll go to format, paragraph. I will keep the same thing as heading 1, before spacing 0, after spacing 12 point, and line spacing, as I said earlier, it is single. And say okay, okay. Then heading 2 is also done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will go the use of animal models to study cerebral ischemia. I'll make it as heading 2. देखो कैसे करता हूं मैं. Can you see? See here, I'm just keeping my cursor on this particular heading.
Yes, sir.
I'm selecting it. See, I'm selecting this. देख पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
I can just keep my cursor here and I'll go and I will hit heading 2. It will become like that. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
It became like that. Now we'll go for heading 3. Okay, somewhere. See here, hypoxia,
Sir,
ischemia is a model. Hello? Yes?
It is lagging, sir.
It is lagging. Okay. Okay, I'm going to next page. The next heading is hypoxia ischemia as a model of cerebral injury following cardiac surgery.
Yes, sir.
So I'll just keep my cursor on this and I'll say hit heading 2. So it will look like that. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
It will look like now. It is done now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll see here it is written cerebral injury after cardiac and brain surgery. Cerebral injury after cardiac and brain surgery. See, when I am writing all these headings, so I know as a writer what I am writing. Which one is heading 1 and which one is heading 2? Who would know it? The reader or writer?
Writer.
Of course, if you are producing this in front of the reader, then if you are producing it correctly, then that reader also would know which one is
Header.
heading 1, 2 है पता चल रहा है. So I am now making it as heading 3. Okay. Sorry. I will make this as heading 2. And under that, I will make it as heading 3. This is the pathology of cerebral injury following cardiac surgery. I will make it as heading 3. So to make it heading 3, I will have to right click on this modify. Again, heading 3 is based on normal. Style for following paragraph is text paper term paper text. It was blue in color, so I will make it automatic black. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And I will make it bold. I will make it 12. So instead of bold, I will make it Times New Roman. I will make it italic, and I don't make it bold. Left alignment, single line. Go to format. It is lagging, so it is now showing, na? Showing up. Go to
Okay.
format, paragraph. Basically, we are creating different styles, okay? And then we'll make a style set. Then that style set can be applied in next term paper. When you use your next term paper, so you need not to worry about the formatting. You just have to focus on the content. Once you create properly, then you need not to worry about your formatting. And similar goes with your thesis. If you do this correctly, so you can use this formatting on your thesis also. So again, see here in the heading 3, I have got this before spacing is 10, but I want it to be 0. I don't want any space, okay? It should start, because after every paragraph we have given 12.1 line gap. So after every paragraph, if you have this heading 3, automatically there will be one space, so we don't need any before. We need 12 point after. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And line spacing single. Then say okay, okay. Okay, can you see here this particular heading is changed into now italic, and the way we wanted it is changed. You see here it is lagging. It is now showing up. Can you see? It is highlighted.
Yes, sir.
Now under that we have got risk factor for cerebral ischemia. I will make it as heading 3. Okay, continuous heading 3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
continuous. Next one is heading 3. That is pathophysiology. I'm just making it quick so that we will see the time. And then next, I have got a heading called references. Every document at the end it will have references. For example, in your term paper, you will have introduction section, materials method section. You will have a discussion section. Sorry, results and discussion section and conclusion section. Okay. Okay, and at the end you will have references section. References are nothing but you will have bibliography, that is otherwise called as bibliography, that lists out all the sources from where you studied. All the sources from where I studied. You have to tell I studied, है ना? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Guys. Hi, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So now references would be like heading 1 or it will be heading 2 or 3?
Heading 1.
Right. I will just convert this reference. I will click on references. I will hit heading 1. Can you see it converted into that the way heading sorry introduction was looking?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we will introduce some figures. Okay. See, in the introduction section, somewhere we have written that this refer figure 2, or bracket figure 2. So figure 1.1. Where is that? Figure 1 or figure 1.1. Can anybody see? Can you see? Is there a lag or yeah, there is a lag? See here I have to introduce figure 1. Is according to this graph. See here figure 1 incidence of neurological outcomes following cardiac surgery, है ना? This is the title of the figure. Can you see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This one I am highlighting it. This is, and I want to see that the figure here just above that, because you put the legend or the figure name at the bottom of the figure, whereas you put the title of the table on the top of the table. सुन पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
So I will introduce here that that figure that I have in that folder I showed you at the beginning. Okay, I'll click the place where I want to insert the figure. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then I will go to insert and go to pictures. Okay, if it is a picture, then you have to go to picture. But can you remember, or can you recall the figure 1.1 was a PPT file or a figure file?
The PPT.
Right, है ना? That if you remember, then it is figure 1.1 was PPT. So what I will do now, you cannot insert a PPT through insert pictures. Picture will allow you to actually insert a picture file. That means JPEG, PNG, TIFF, है ना? जो भी और दूसरे format से. So now other like only picture format can be inserted through this. So what I will do now, I will, hello, Amrita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Alive?
Yes, sir.
Too much on a single day?
No, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I am there with you, so you need not to worry that actually sir told once, so she will not tell second time. I will tell 1,000 times, but you just have to ask me where you have trouble. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got it.
हाँ. So next thing, so if you are inserting this, so then you go to other than picture format, it is an object. If it is not a picture, then it is an object. So insert, click on insert, and if you'll see on the right, just before that last section or panel, that is symbols, you have got text panel. Okay, this text panel has got object to introduce. Insert object. Can you see now? On the right.
Yes, sir.
Insert object. Click that, and you say that object, है ना? I want to insert an object. Select that object only. Okay. As soon as you click that, so it will open one window, and it is asking create a new. No, I want to create from a file. Am I right? I am going to create this or a new image, or I want to create from a file. Hello.
Create from file.
Because I have already created a PPT file. Okay, so that object is in that file. So I'll browse it. Go to desktop, because I have kept that in that folder called scientific writing demo 2009.